Next step is nice and easy, right over to the Welcome Center, just on the other side of these signs right here. So please head on over there and we'll check out.
Ooh, ah.
Presents the Daytona 675R. We're quite proud of the Triumph Daytona 675R Speed Triple.
Dunlop tires, Bantam Mines, K&N, Parts Unlimited guys.
Selling in the USA, in other words, this is the main model for the US, and this is more orientated to its two-up riding.
Ben hasn't seen it yet.
Still a county bike.
I think his only request was it was like...
Hello, good morning. This is the 2010 ooooh R1. Ready?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, get a little applause on that.
Chris Hagan.
Iconic bottles. This is a 1967 CL.
All right, Roland, let's see your bike.